welcome. If you're new here, my name is Tatum, and today we're going into some quick stretches. It's a little balance and twist flow to get us started today. I would recommend maybe a mat today, because we'll go into 1 or 2 downward facing dogs, but that's about it. If not, just come to a hard surface and you should be fine. So today we're getting started in Tadasana. So feet are hip width distance, kneecaps are lifting, core is engaging, shoulders are pulling back and down, and let's bring our hands forward. You can close your eyes, bring that chin onto the horizon. We'll take 3 big breaths together. Let's exhale wherever we're at in our breath cycle. Take a deep inhale. Drop your shoulders, exhale, ha. 2 more, inhaling. Exhale, release. Last one, big, full, deep breath. 1 more sip at the top. Drop your shoulders and exhale, release. Beautiful. Let's inhale, arms reach up overhead. Exhale, hands come onto the horizon, twist to the right. Inhale through center. Exhale, twist to the left, hands on the horizon. 1 more time. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, arms reach up overhead. Exhale, forward fold, bending through your knees, hinging from your hips. You can keep your hands on the floor, grab opposite elbows, begin to shift from side to side, just waking up those legs here. We'll gently come back through center, relax our head, gaze comes to the mat behind us, the end of the mat. So it'll allow our neck to lengthen, soften through your knees, send your hips a little bit higher to the sky so you get a deep, long stretch down the backside of your legs. If you can, try to roll your weight to the balls of your feet to get even deeper stretch here. And we'll come back through center. Bring your feet hip width distance. We'll sink our hips low as we inhale, lift our chest off of our thighs, hands reach up towards the sky, chair pose. We'll inhale, lift through center. Exhale, sink low. So we're coming into our happy breath here. You can take this slow or you can move a little bit faster with me. So let's inhale, lift through our chest, still in our chair pose, and then exhale, begin to hinge forward, sweeping our hands behind us, gaze comes in between our legs. Inhale, lifts us into our chair pose. Exhale, sweeping our hands behind us. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, forward fold. Now you can stick with this slow movement here. Or you can speed it up with me, finding a little bit of fluidity. As we inhale, reach up. Exhale, swinging your arms. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, forward fold. Remembering to come into your chair pose when you lift up for your inhale. 2 more. Last one. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, sink low. Hands come through heart center. Pull your knees back just a little bit. Sink your hips. Weight is in your heels. You can wiggle those toes. Inhale, lift through your chest. Again, exhale, sink low. Tuck that tailbone under and pull your low belly in. Breathing here. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, we're going to twist to the left. My right elbow is coming to the outside of my left knee. And try to draw your right knee back into the hip socket, or your right thigh bone back into the hip socket. So your right knee and left knee are lined up. They have a little bit of a tendency to reach forward here. Sink your hips low. Take another deep inhale, lengthen, and then exhale, maybe twist a little bit deeper here. Option to stay here, or if side crow is in your practice, you can take a quick little side crow. I'll stay here with you in your twisted chair, breathing. Pull your right knee back. Side crows, come back to this twisted chair. And we'll all take our weight into our left foot. Rooting down through our left foot, come onto the ball of your right here. Take a deep inhale. And then we're exhaling, stepping back into our high lunge. Very gracefully, allow that foot to just plant lightly. And we'll sink through our hips here. Deep bend in our front knee and our back leg is working strong. My back right heel is over the ball of my foot. And I'm trying to kind of lift my chest here up off my thigh so I'm not sinking low on it, relying on it. Just try to evenly distribute your weight through both feet here. So you're not just relying on this front foot. So try to pull a little bit of weight back into this right. Breathe here, you got it. Maybe twist it a little bit deeper. Gaze can come past this left shoulder. That's okay on your neck, or you can stay here. Next inhale, we'll all unwind, high lunge. Woo, find your balance. Readjust if you need to. Inhale, fingertips reach to the sky. Exhale, sink low. Pull your low ribs in. Core is engaged. Breathe. Inhale, reach your fingertips up. Exhale, pull those shoulders back and down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, cartwheel your hands, frame your front foot. We're going to step this left foot back to meet our right, coming into our first downward facing dog. Go ahead, pedal out your feet. Shake your head yes, shake your head no, whatever you need today. Let's take one cleansing breath together wherever you are. Exhale, take a deep inhale through your nose. And exhale, release, Ha. Beautiful. All right, step your feet together at the back of your mat. Inhale, come high up onto your toes. Exhale, bend your knees, look forward. Step or walk to the top of your mat. We'll inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift up, chair pose. Hands come up to the sky, and then exhale through heart center. Again, setting up in your chair pose here. Weight is in our heels. Hips are pulling back, tailbone is tucking under, and low belly is pulling in. Inhale, lift through your chest. Exhale, sink low, breathe. It's okay, I'm out of breath too. All right, we're gonna inhale, lift through center. Exhale, twist to the right. And then again, pulling this left thigh bone back into the hip socket so our left and right knees are in line with one another. Gaze comes to the right side of the room. Hands are working towards heart center. It's okay if they're not there. Mine aren't either. If you'd like. And side crows in your practice, go ahead and take it now. I'll stay right here in chair. Breathing. Again, sinking those hips low, knees in line. Side crows, begin to make your way back into this twisted chair. And when you're ready, we're going to take our weight into our right foot now. Come up onto the ball of our left. When you're ready, gently step back into your high lunge. Breathing here. Really trying to lift up off of this thigh. Inhale to lengthen, exhale maybe to twist a little bit deeper. Sink your hips down low. Back leg is working strong. We're trying to pull this weight towards our back foot so it's evenly distributed. Gaze can come over your right shoulder if that's okay on your neck. And we're breathing, sinking low. When you're ready, next inhale, we'll gently unwind. Inhale, arms reach up overhead. Exhale, sink low. Readjust your footing if you need to. Breathe. You got it. Another inhale reaches you up. Exhale, pull your shoulders back and down. Low belly is pulling in, core is engaged. Another inhale will reach us up. Exhale, cartwheel your hands down to frame this front right foot. Plant your hands, step back into your downward facing dog. Go ahead again, walking out your feet, shifting your hips from side to side, whatever you need. All right, one cleansing breath together here. Exhale wherever you are. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, H-A-Ha. Beautiful. We'll inhale, come high up onto our toes. Exhale, bend your knees, step or walk to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, slowly roll all the way up to standing. Arms reach up overhead. Exhale, hands come down by our side. Let's shake it out. All right, coming back to our Tadasana. Let's inhale, arms reach up overhead. Exhale, hands come through heart center. Let's just take a moment to give ourselves a little bit of thanks for getting in some movement today. As always, it's an honor to move with you and breathe. I'll see you next time. Namaste.